Stand with one foot forward. Hold the ball with your non-dominant hand. Swing your other arm backward and forward to hit the ball. Keep your eyes on the ball and hit it with the palm of your hand. Overhand serve is more powerful than underhand. Hold the ball in front of you. Toss is slightly upward. Bring your hitting arm back, then swing forward and hit the ball above your head. Use your whole arm